My dear students, it is the chapter 2 part 3 and I am doing the problems of for substitution method. Look properly and you have to remember the formulas of derivative and you have to do the chain rule again, then only you can understand it properly. Okay, now look at, take the screenshot of these problems. Now take the screenshot of these problems. I will do it one by one. Okay, now look at the problem 31. I have already told you to do the chapter of chain rule of derivative. So here look at this problem. Tell me whose derivative is what? This is suppose cos square x. Suppose I am putting t is equal to cos square x. It is cos x whole square. What is dt? dt is 2 cos x into derivative of cos x. You know it is minus sin x into dx. So it is minus 2 sin x into cos x. That is what? Sin 2x dx. Now the problem becomes e to the power t. E to the power t. Then you have to convert everything to 2. To t. Sin 2x dx. Sin 2x dx is what? It is minus dt. And you know the integration of e to the power t, that is e to the power t plus c. That is minus e to the power t. T means what? Cos square x plus c. Okay. Here sin inverse x by 1 minus x square. And you have to put what? Put t is equal to sin inverse x. Then confidently you know the derivative of sin inverse x is what? 1 by 1 minus x square dx. So take this part as what? dt. So it becomes sin inverse x as t. dx by 1 minus x square is dt is equal to t square by 2 plus c is equal to, what is t square? That is sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Don't take this 2 inside, because sin inverse x doesn't mean sin x to the power minus 1. Keep it remain as it is. Okay. Look at this problem. Simply it is dx by 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. So what you have to put? Put t is equal to, very simple, t is equal to x minus 1. Then dt is equal to what? Dx. And it becomes dt by 1 minus t square root over. Tell me whose derivative is 1 by 1 minus x square root over? Simply it is sin inverse t plus x. See, it is sin inverse. You have to put the value. It is x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Now in this problem, it is very clear to you that the derivative of sec inverse x is what? Is 1 by x into root over of x square minus 1 dx. So what you will do? In place of sec inverse t, you have to put what? Sec inverse x, you have to put t. And in place of d1, here look at this place, x dx by x into x square minus 1 root over. It is what? dt. dt. It is what? t square by 2 plus c. What is t square? It is sec inverse x whole square by 2 plus, okay. Put, what you have to put here? As derivative of ln x is 1 by x. So put t is equal to ln x. dt becomes 1 by x dx. So what you have to put? 1 by x dx. That is dx by x. You have to put what? For dx by x you have to put dt. It is dt by 1 plus t square. What is its integration? It is tan inverse t plus c. That is tan inverse. In place of t, you have to put ln x plus c. Okay. Now look at this problem. This is a quadratic in denominator and numerator. There is there is only one constant. That is 1. What you have to do? You do x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square plus 1. Now you can put t is equal to what? You can put t is equal to x plus 1. What is dt? It is dx and it becomes dt by t square plus 1. It is what? It is tan inverse t plus c. So in place of tan inverse, in place of t you have to put what? X plus 1 plus c. Okay? As you know, integration of tan mx dx is 1 by m ln sec mx or minus 1 by m ln. The denominator is cos. So minus 1 by m cos mx plus c. So here answer is what? Answer is 1 by 3 ln sec 3x modulus plus c. Okay? And you also know the formula of cot 3x, that is 1 by m sin ln sin mx plus c. Here 1 by what? 1 by 1 by 3, it becomes what? 3 ln sin x by 3 plus c. Okay? Ln it is you know integration of sec x plus b dx is 1 by a ln sec x plus b tan x plus b. So here 1 by 2 ln 2x plus 1, sorry, ln sec 2x plus 1 sec 2x plus 1 plus tan 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay? And you know integration of cosec 7x. What is integration of cosec 7x? It is cosec 7x dx. Integration is 1 by 7 ln cosec 7x minus what? Cot 7x plus c. You know cosec x plus b integration is 1 by ln cosec x plus b minus cot x plus b. So for this 1 by x plus b, a is what? 7 and b is 0 here. So its integration is 1 by 7 ln cosec 7x minus cot 7x. Now put here, write this problem in this form, cot x square plus 3. As you know, derivative of x square plus 3 is 2x dx. So put t is equal to, put theta is equal to x square plus 3 and d theta is equal to 2x dx. So it becomes integration of cot theta d theta and its integration cot theta d theta integration is ln sin theta plus c, because denominator is what? Is sin theta. So its integration ln sin theta. Ln integration sin result is sin theta. In place of theta you have to put x square plus 3 plus c. Okay? Look at number 42. It is e to the power x tan e to the power x. Now write this as tan e to the power x into e to the power x dx. Put theta is equal to e to the power x. Then d theta is equal to what? E to the power x dx. Now the integration becomes tan theta d theta. And you know integration of tan theta is ln sec theta plus c, and it is ln sec e to the power x plus c. Okay? Now 43, it is sec 2x minus 3, not 2x minus 3. Sec 2x is 1, 3 is another. So a, this is a minus b whole square. It is a square minus 2ab 6 sec 2x plus b square. What is integration? The result is sec square 2x minus 6 square 2x dx minus 6 sec 2x dx plus 9 dx. The integration. What is integration of sec square 2x? It is 1 by 2 tan 2x minus 6 into 1 by 2. Its integration is ln sec 2x plus tan 2x. As integration of sec mx is 1 by m ln sec mx plus tan mx plus 9x plus c. After simplification, you will get your answer. Mind it. If you put t to numerator, then if t is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, then dt is e to the power x minus e to the power minus. मतलब ऊपर का डेरिवेटिव नीचे है, नीचे का डेरिवेटिव भी ऊपर है, लेकिन dx किसका साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है? न्यूमरेटर के साथ. So you have to put t to denominator. Why? Because its derivative dt, you know derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, and what is derivative of e to the power minus x? e to the power जितना उसका डेरिवेटिव है e to the power उतना into derivative of what? Minus x. It means e to the power minus x into derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus x is minus 1, means his answer is minus e to the power minus x. Minus उसका पहले भी एक माइनस है, ये भी माइनस है, so plus e to the power minus x dx. Remember this. Okay. Then it becomes what? Then it becomes dt by t, and dt by t is ln t, and you have to put the value of t, that is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus c. Look at this problem. It is 3 to the power x, the base is constant, e to the power 2x, base is also e, which is constant. Take 1 power x, means it is 3 to the power x, it is e square to the power x. Now power x, make them one base, that is 3 e square whole to the power x. Take it as a is equal to 3 e square. It becomes a to the power x dx, and we know the formula of integration a to the power x is a to the power x by ln a plus c. In place of a, we have to put 3 e square whole to the power x, ln 3 e square, that is a b whole to the power x, a to the power x, b to the power x. Then ln ab is ln a plus ln b, and there 3 to the power x, e to the power 2x, ln 3 plus if 2 will come to the front position, it will 2 ln e, and the value of ln is 1, so that is the final result. Now in this problem, look, x square plus 2x plus 2, इसका डेरिवेटिव है 2x plus 2, here x plus 1. So if I will put t is equal to this, then its derivative also here. But if we put t is equal to this, then it will give you more pleasure. ln x square plus 2x plus 2. Then dt is what? 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2. Derivative of x square plus 2x plus 2, that is 2x plus 2 whole into dx. Here 2 is multiplied. Take it common outside. 1 by 2 dt, which is equal to x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 whole into dx. Now look at here. What is happening? Take ln to the left side. ln x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by what? Into this into what? X plus 1 by x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2 whole into dx. Now it becomes, this is what? It is ln something. ln x square plus 2x plus 2, that is d. And this is what? This is half dt, and this gives you here, it is half dt. Means half is going outside, half dt. And the result of integration of t dt, you know, it is t square by 2 plus c. And the result is 1 by 4. What is t square? It is ln x square plus 2x plus 2 इसका whole square plus c. Okay. Now the numerator is sin x and the denominator is sin x plus alpha. So what you have to change the numerator as x plus alpha minus alpha by sin x plus alpha whole into dx. It is the formula of sin a minus b. What is sin a minus b? It is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by sin x plus alpha whole into dx. It is what? Integration sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. You should divide this to this. Result is what? Cos alpha dx minus, when you divide this part with this, it becomes what? Cot x plus alpha into sin alpha dx. Now look at here. Here variable is x and constant is what? Alpha. Here variable is x and constant is alpha. So it will go outside. It will go outside. It becomes cos alpha integration dx minus sin alpha integration of cot x plus alpha dx. It is dx का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? x. It is x cos alpha minus sin alpha into what is integration of cot x plus alpha? It is ln sin x plus alpha plus c. Okay. Look at this problem. The numerator is x, denominator is x minus alpha. So what you have to write? You write the numerator as x minus alpha plus alpha. Make this. It becomes cos x minus alpha. Apply the formula of sin a plus b. What is the formula? Sin a cos b plus cos a cos x minus alpha sin b by cos what? X minus alpha dx. Now its integration, what you have to write? Divide this part with this. It becomes tan x minus alpha cos alpha dx plus, when you divide this part with this, it becomes sin alpha. This cancel, sin alpha dx. Now which one is constant? This is constant. It will go outside. This is constant. This will go outside. So it becomes what? Cos alpha. It is cos alpha integration of tan x minus alpha dx plus sin alpha integration of dx. Now tell me the result. It is cos alpha ln what? Sec x minus alpha plus sin alpha, and its result is x. So I am writing it as x sin alpha plus c. Okay. Look at this problem. It is tan x plus tan alpha by tan x minus tan alpha. For this problem, you have to convert everything to sin cos. It becomes sin x by cos x, sin alpha by cos alpha. Then the denominator is like this. Take LCM cos x cos alpha. It becomes sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha divided by it is cos x cos alpha. So also in denominator take LCM cos x cos alpha. It becomes sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha. So cos x cos alpha they cancel. It becomes sin x plus alpha divided by sin x minus alpha. Then looking to denominator, you have to write x minus alpha plus 2 alpha divided by sin x minus alpha dx. Taking this two parts, it is what? Sin a cos b. It is sin x plus x minus alpha into cos 2 alpha plus cos x minus alpha into sin a cos b plus cos a cos x minus alpha sin 2 alpha divided by sin what? X minus alpha dx. Then divide this to this. It becomes what? It becomes cos 2 alpha dx plus integration. Divide this to this. It becomes what? Cos by sin. It is cut x minus alpha into sin 2 alpha dx. Now you have to take outside this constant and this constant. Okay. What will happen? Tell me. It is cos 2 alpha. Integration of dx is what? X. It is x cos 2 alpha plus, if sin 2 alpha will go outside, integration of cot x minus alpha, it becomes ln what? Sin x minus alpha. My dear students, I have done these 49 problems. This is integration by substitution method. First, it is my kind request to you. You should not first read, then do. You should not follow this procedure. First, you should do the problems. Okay? Then, if you will not solve any problem, then you have to look this video. Otherwise, it should not do by your way. Looking first, doing next. No, doing first, then looking next. Okay?